Proposition S would invest more than $30 million to build storm shelter gymnasiums at 6 elementary schools.
These projects were recommended by a task force of parents and community members to ensure we have safer, stronger schools.
Elementary schools are busy places with lots of activities, so having a full-size gymnasium that also serves as a storm shelter would be a great benefit to our school. It would also free up the cafeteria to be used for its intended purpose.
We jokingly refer to our cafeteria as a cafegimatorium because currently students eat here, learn here, play here, and perform here.
It not only rushes meal service, but staff must constantly move tables and clean to allow the space to be used for PE or other school activities.
Currently, refrigerators, lunch tables, and other cafeteria supplies really have an impact on the amount of playing space that kids have in our gym and also overall safe areas for kids to play.
New storm shelter gymnasiums like this will protect students and staff in the event of extreme wind or tornadoes. And they will give parents and community members added peace of mind, knowing that these shelters are available.
With a new addition of a storm shelter, in the event of a storm or inclement weather, we would have a safe and clean place to go for all staff members and students.
Beyond the safety benefits, the new gyms will be designed with a stage for performances and a designated music room, which will expand space for instruction and school-wide events.
Overall, Proposition S will fund $220 million in school improvements, including constructing new buildings for Pipkin and Reed middle schools, renovating Pershing School, building storm shelters at 6 elementary schools, and safety and security upgrades at schools district-wide. If voters approve Proposition S on April 4th, there will be no increase to the current debt service tax levy. It will remain unchanged at 73 cents.
Remember to vote Tuesday, April 4th on Proposition S.